Hey guys, it's your traveling cocktail girl, Janine Romo, the Wild Explorer, and I'm here today with another cocktail from around the world. So pack your bags because I'm taking you to Oakland, California, where the Mai Tai was born. Oakland, California? Sounds a little bit weird, right? Well, apparently back in the 1940s, people were obsessed with Polynesian culture, and the famous Trader Vic's had a chain of Polynesian-themed restaurants. And so the Mai Tai was born. So the Mai Tai gets butchered a lot, but I'm doing the original 1944 Trader Vic's Mai Tai, and that is made with a combination of Jamaican rum, rum from Martinique, some orange Curaçao, Orgeat Syrup, Demerara Syrup, which is raw sugar, and some lime. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we want to juice our lime first. So I'm just going to get some fresh lime. You want to juice at least 2 limes. All right, we have our lime juice. So now we're going to go ahead and get our shaker out and just start measuring everything out. All right, so it is 1 ounce of the fresh lime juice, 1/4 ounce of the Orgeat syrup, a little bit too much, 1/4 ounce, 1/4 ounce of Demerara, then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the dry Curaçao, one ounce Jamaican rum, and 1 ounce of the rum from Martinique. And for that I use rum CLEMENT. The Jamaican is Smith & Cross traditional Jamaican rum, and I also use PIERRE dry Curaçao. All right, now we're just going to add ice and shake. Get our glass, double rocks glass. We're going to fill it with crushed ice, and then to garnish, we're going to top it off with 1/2 of a spent lime, a mint sprig, and there you have it. The original Trader Vic's Mai Tai. Cheers! If you like this cocktail, like and subscribe for more.